Good morning, this is Zach from Boss Motors. This video is for Colin. I'm just responding to, we got an email that you were interested in the DL1000 here, the V-Strom. So I'm just going to do a quick little walk around of the bike for you and go over pricing and stuff like that. Comes equipped with the hard bags. Very, very clean. This was a demo, actually. This was a demo bike from Suzuki. So, low miles and Suzuki maintained, of course. The bike is still currently available. You had asked that in your email. So, of course, if you have any other questions or if you wanted to come see the bike, please do that. So yeah, 5,000 clicks, 13,188 is the price of the bike. Now there's no extra fees. We don't charge any extra fees here. So everything is included. That includes the certification, safety, all that stuff. Bike is going to be fully clean, fully certified by the time of delivery. So again, my name is Zach. If you have any other questions, you can give me a call. I'm about to respond to you via email. All my information's in the bottom of that email. So, okay. Thank you, and we'll hope to hear from you soon.